How to log into Bank of Queensland mobile banking account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you need to download and install the Bank of Queensland mobile banking app, also known as BOQ mobile app, on your device. You can very easily download this from either Play Store or App Store. Now tap open this application. Then on the home screen, you can find the login button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on that option. Over here, you have the option to log into your account using your phone number. If you want to use email instead, tap on Use Email Instead option. Now tap on Email Address. Then enter your email address. Now tap on Password and enter your password. Tap on the I button if you want to recheck your password. Now, in case you have forgotten your password, you have the option to tap on Forgot Password. From here, you can easily retrieve your password. You can use your phone number or you can use your email address instead. After entering both of these details, tap on the login button at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you do, you will be able to log into your Bank of Queensland mobile banking account. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.